Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Teens Room, the place where we talk about all the stuff that matters to us teens, from school hacks to life goals, and today something super important: money. Specifically, why saving money matters and how you can start doing it even if you're just getting a little cash from chores or a part-time gig. If you're new here, and I'm all about keeping it real and helping you level up in life. Today we're diving into financial literacy and why saving money isn't just for adults, it's for us too. So, why should you even care about saving money? Let's start with the big picture. Life is unpredictable, right? One day you're chilling and the next, your phone screen cracks, or your bike tire pops, or maybe you need to pitch in for a group gift. Having some money saved up is like your personal safety net. It means you're not scrambling or begging your parents for cash every time something goes wrong. Think of it like this: saving money is building your own backup plan. For example, let's say you've got $20 saved up from your allowance. That might not sound like much, but if your earbuds break, you've got enough to grab a cheap pair without freaking out. That's financial literacy in action, knowing how to manage your money so it's there when you need it. Next up, saving money is your ticket to the stuff you really want. Maybe you're dreaming of a new gaming console, a trip with your friends, or even starting your own little side hustle. Those things don't just magically appear, they take cash. And the sooner you start saving, the sooner you can make those dreams real. I mean, imagine saving $10 a week. In just 10 weeks, you've got $100. That's enough for a decent chunk of whatever you're chasing. And here's the deepest reason. Saving money teaches you control. When you're a teen, it's easy to feel like adults run everything. Your schedule, your rules, your life. But when you save money, you're taking charge of something huge. You're saying, I've got goals, and I'm making them happen. That's the vibe we're going for here at Teens Room, owning your future, one smart choice at a time. Okay, let's tackle some myths real quick because I know saving money can sound lame or impossible. Myth number 1, I don't make enough to save. False. You don't need a big paycheck to start. Even $1 a week is a start. It's not about how much you save, it's about the habit. Financial literacy isn't about being rich, it's about being smart with what you've got. Myth number 2, saving is boring. Nope. It's actually kind of exciting when you see your stash grow. It's like leveling up in a game. Every dollar you add is a win. And myth number 3, I'll save when I'm older. Starting now gives you a head start. The earlier you get into saving money, the more it adds up over time. Trust me, your 20-year-old self will thank you. Part 3, how to start saving money. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How do you actually start saving money? I've got 5 super simple steps that any teen can do. Grab a notebook or your phone notes app because you're gonna want to jot these down. Step 1, set a goal. Ask yourself, what am I saving for? It could be something small like a new phone case or big like a summer trip. Having a goal makes saving feel purposeful. For me, I started saving for a new pair of sneakers. It kept me motivated. Step 2, track your cash. This is where financial literacy kicks in. Write down what you get, allowance, birthday money, whatever, and what you spend. Apps like Pocket Guard or just a simple list work great. When you see where your money's going, it's easier to cut back on random stuff like extra snacks. Step 3, make a mini budget. Don't panic, this isn't complicated. Say you get $20 a week. Decide to save $5 and spend $15, that's it. Stick to it and watch your savings grow. Step 4, start small and automate it. Put your savings somewhere safe. A jar, a piggy bank, or even a savings account if your parents can help you set one up. Try to save first before you spend. Like as soon as you get your cash, take that $5 and stash it. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 5, find little wins. Look for ways to save extra, skip the overpriced coffee and make it at home, or wait for a sale on that game you want. Every bit you don't spend is more you can save. It's like a treasure hunt for your own money. And bonus tips, celebrate your progress. When you hit a mini milestone like $50 saved, treat yourself to something small. It keeps you pumped to keep going. So, there you have it. Teens Room crew, saving money matters because it gives you freedom, security, and a shot at your dreams. Plus, it's a huge part of financial literacy, which is basically your superpower for life. You don't need to be a millionaire to start, you just need to take that first step. So, what's your saving goal gonna be? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you're the first to catch our next video. Let's keep growing this community and making smart moves together. Next time we're talking about how to make money as a teen, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.